What's up everybody, Ariie here and welcome to today's video. If you are new to my channel, you guys, make sure you subscribe, and if you are a returning sub, what's up y'all? Glad that you're here. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys in another clip how I achieved this super cute ponytail, and I made sure I got some hair that should be available at your local beauty supply store. And if you guys watch a lot of YouTube, I'm pretty sure that you're familiar with Bobbi Boss hair. So I got this ponytail, and I'll put everything in the description box, and a 28-inch curly pattern. So you guys, we're not pretending to be perfect around here, and you guys know, if you watch my channel, you guys, that I am like totally, I be looking crazy, okay? Let me just be real. Let me just be to the point, okay? I be looking crazy on camera, whatever, but we aren't perfect. So you guys, I have been going through a scalp condition, in which I'm going to share with you guys later in a whole other video. I'm dealing with this scalp condition now for several months, and when I say several months, that's just the worst of it. Actually, I've been dealing with a pretty bad scalp for probably like the last year or so, and I noticed that it gets worse as I wear wigs. So I was like, I need to take a break. And honestly, like, the wigs have not been giving for me lately. Like, they've been giving wig. Like, I don't know if I'm just tired of doing it or what. So I went ahead and was just like, you know what, let me go buy me a ponytail and rock a ponytail. Take it back to the basics, you guys. So I'll share with you guys in another video what I've been doing to treat my scalp, you guys, and get it back to good condition. But it's totally not all the way there yet. That's pretty much it, you guys. Like I said, if you need a break from wearing your wigs, you know, your weaves, whatever, I highly do suggest a ponytail. Super cute. I like to go with natural styles, curly wave patterns, because that's the texture of my hair. So when I put product on it, it waves up. Typically, I do not straighten my hair. I like my hair to just air dry. But sometimes I do like to go over it because it's, you guys, since it grew back, it's so thick. So sometimes I do go ahead and put a blow dryer to it to kind of get the ends a little straighter. And when I go ahead and do put the blow dryer to it, I am using it on a cool or to a warm setting, okay? No hot heat on the hair, okay? But you know, do whatever you like, boo. It's your life, okay? We just nuts in the world, in the squirrel, whatever you call it. All right, y'all. So without further ado, you guys, make sure you watch this video, get into it, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. It's not gonna be an ending to this video. It's just gonna go right into it, do it, finish it, and that's it. All right, you guys. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, look at all this hair growth, you guys. This is just from a year. But anyway, you guys, so I'm parting my hair, and I ain't gonna lie, like, I'm trash with the parting. Like, ooh, trash. Okay, but yes, you guys, part your hair down the middle or wherever you want to part your hair. And now I'm just separating it into 4 sections because it's gonna make it easier for me to distribute the gel. And the main thing, you guys, is to go in and put the gel in sections and brush it through the hair. This way it'll flatten the hair down, because if you have really thick hair and you just layer gel on top, it's not gonna flatten your hair. So I went ahead and did my whole head. I'm sure you guys don't want to see that, so I'm showing you guys though what it looks like to do it in the front of my head. So I'm taking this wax sticks here, and I used Murray before, like a month ago when I was in a wedding and I did my own ponytail. But that Murray, y'all, I could not get it out of my hair. Like, it was really hard. So I'm trying this stick actually for the first time because it's similar. And I did like it, but it does get a little white, as you can kind of see. But we're going to go ahead and fix that later. And so again, we're just brushing it through. I use more gel on the back. On the front, I'm using more the wax and the edge control. So I'm using the SAWEETIE edge control. I actually had the banana before, and the banana seemed to have a stronger hold, but This is the watermelon one, and it smells really good. The hold is still pretty good. And so I'm going in and putting that in. I noticed the white right there, you guys. So I was a little like, ah. So I'm trying to comb it through here. But what I'm going to do later on is just change out my brush and put some oil on the top of my head. Alright, so for the remainder of this video, mostly it's going to be sped up just to kind of show you guys the rest of the process. And I'll hop in when I want to tell y'all something. Alright. So you guys, in reality, my hair is very thick, so I have to brush it and put a lot of product on my hair. Of course, I'm not showing you guys for the purpose of this video and time, but literally, you guys, like, if you have thick hair, just keep brushing, keep adding product. Later on, adding bobby pins and tying your hair down will help this. Here you can see my psoriasis like around my neck and my ear, you guys, but I'm totally transparent. We all have problems, and yeah, that's one of my problems. So anyway, this is the ponytail that I'm adding. I didn't know that it had short pieces until I actually took the ponytail out, which is kind of annoying, but it's okay. We're just gonna go ahead and wrap that around the ponytail later. And before we actually put the ponytail on, we're gonna drawstring it a little bit so it's tighter. And then that way it'll be easier to like cuff the little braid in the back. Like, I just came to terms, like, watching this video, you guys, that I'm giving you faces. Like, okay, all the faces. Like, let's just be honest, you guys, when you're doing your hair and your makeup, you are getting faced and you don't even know. So yeah, give you guys face. Here I'm just bobby pinning the string. I like to actually hook it around the string and then push it in so I know that string ain't gonna pop out throughout my day. Also keep in mind, you guys, my hair is shorter now than when I used to do this style. So it's like I have to put bobby pins in the back in certain areas because my hair is growing back, so some pieces are shorter. If your hair is longer, you won't really have this problem. And make sure you go ahead and bobby pin the hair in as well that you wrapped around. I also have flyaways and stuff, you guys. I just bought some Gorilla Gel to see if this will help in the future, but nothing really holds my hair down. So later you will see me, you know, tying my hair down. And go ahead and separate it. Well, I like to separate it because I think it makes the look fuller. And then here, I just kind of use a little Gossipy and spray it. Use it as hairspray. Sometimes I do like to just rub it on because you get all that sticky stuff on your skin, I feel like. And now, y'all, I'm just wrapping my scarf. And just make sure you try to get as much in there as possible. I do like the silk scarves better. And yeah, I'm just gonna tie this down, and since I have nowhere to be, I'm just gonna go ahead and let this sit for a couple hours and, you know, get down as many flyaways and stuff as possible. Worst case scenario, this hairstyle can last you about a week. I know we don't want to do our hair all the time, but it could last about a week. I did have this style and I went to the gym, etc., and it held up pretty nicely for a week. Make sure when you go to bed, just kind of twirl or braid your ponytail. I wouldn't sleep on it because it is, you know, synthetic, and kind of bun it, and then you shouldn't have no problem sleeping. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. Thank y'all for watching my video. All right, till next time.